Hello, Nonna Maria. Today I'm making strictly a Palermitan from Palermo, the city where I was born and raised, baked pasta. You see? No, they're not SpaghettiOs. They're semolina durum wheat. Okay, for those who doesn't know. I'm gonna stuff inside, of course, my Trinity over here, a celery, onion, and carrots. Sicilian because we had peas on our bolognese. And of course, Sarmazzano tomato. And let's begin. The process is a little too long. And the Trinity. Carrots, celery, and onion. Okay, now that the veggies are softened, now I had the meat. Let it get brown. Then, cab. I open another one. Let it evaporate. Cheers! Then my Sarmazzano tomato that I squash it like a Sicilian with my hands. Now a little pepper, a little salt because we're gonna have the bouillon in there. See, there it is. Okay, and a little pepper flakes. No sugar because I don't put sugar. We add the peas, we add the liquid. I'll put a little basil now, and always break the basil, never cut it with the knife. And we cook for at least an hour. Now, let's go fry the eggplant.